President Emerson Mnangagwa is facing a mounting military-backed backlash from within his own ranks as fierce power struggles erupt at the heart of Zimbabwe's ruling elite, laying bare deepening fractures inside the ZANU-PF. Zarabina mashukaruda pangwena chinzi Mnangagwa faces military backlash. Mashukaruda pangwena nyungwa mudhe ZVAITWA vachiti pangwena zvinoumira zvakanaka. Panguva inoyi ED Mnangagwa officer resistance from his generals, from his military soldiers. Chitko chirikushamisa vanhu zvakanyanya. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tiona ZVAITWA inotambira chiti at the center of the storm is VP Kosano Chiwenga, who reportedly clashed head on with the Mnangagwa's loyalist in a dramatic political confrontation that insiders say exposed a party now dangerously divided. Sources reveal that Chiwenga tore into Mnangagwa's allies during a recent political meeting, bluntly challenging the controversial 23rd agenda and warning that pushing Constitutional Amendment number 3 without a national referendum would trigger a political storm. Explosive confrontation pegged in a heated exchange between Chiwenga and the State Security Minister Lavoma Tuke. Chiwenga reportedly insisted that any extension of presidential term limits must be subject to a referendum, directly defying the party's preferred path. Matuke is said to have hit back, accusing dissenting voices of undermining party unity. The clash quickly escalated, drawing in Defense Minister Pamchunguri Kashiri and ZANU-PF Commissar Mnyaradzi Machacha, who reportedly sided with Matuke, turning the meeting into a full-blown factional showdown in a moment described as both chilling and symbolic. Chiwenga allegedly invoked his Liberation War credentials, reminding the room that he fought to liberate the country while others fled. A thinly veiled swipe at rivals within the party hierarchy. As the political drama unfolds, Mnangagwa's long-standing grip on power is facing an unprecedented internal challenge. A faction of Zimbabwe National Liberation War Veterans Association in Mashonaland West has broken ranks, demanding a national referendum on the constitutional changes. Doma developments are pangwa inoi. It is now tough and difficult for Mnangagwa pangwa ino kunzi war veterans, my generals, Mauchete, and some other people from within his political. They are refusing kuti zvamuri kuda kuronga izvi. No. Pina kuma section medu za fungura imo tudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.